Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Raquel Tilaksamana. I am 40 years old. I am from Sitio Mapiña, Magalang, Pampanga. I am high school graduate. I am married with 3 kids. They are 17, 15, and 13 years old. My hobbies are cooking and listening music. And I have a work experience in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper from 2021 up to 2023. I serve 1 couple and 2 kids. They are 3 years old and 1 newborn baby. My duties are taking care of kids, cleaning the house, doing laundry, ironing, car washes, gardening, and cooking. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and also to my kids' education. To my mom and sir, I hope you give me a chance to be a helper in your family because I am a hardworking, honesty, respectful, obedient, and trustworthy. And I promise that I will do my best to do my duties very well. And I finish my contract or more. Thank you, Mom and Sir. God bless and have a nice day.